Ash Grove Packaging, it's a subsidiary company of Ash Grove Cement. We're their packaging subdivision. We have 7 facilities nationwide, and this company is located in Draper, Utah, and we're the largest by volume. We package cement and lime related products, different sizes, 10 pound, 25 pound, 50 pound, 55, 80, 90, all the way up to 2,000 pounds, 3,000 pounds. Out of the packaging corporation, we're the biggest one as far as volume, and we cover the biggest territory. We ship to, we cover Utah, Wyoming, Idaho territory. So we ship around 300, 350 mile radius. Because of that, one of the solutions that we look for is to begin with stretch wrapping due to safety. As we continue improving and implementing equipment in the plant, we run into Lachenmeier, and we started studying the hooding process and how it worked. So we ultimately ended up buying a hooder from Lachenmeier, and we've been happy with the results so far. We have limited space. It's usually facilities on this type of industry are small. Big loads, small facilities, and we have a really tiny space. We tried and brought other suppliers to look at the space, and it was really small. Lachenmeier, the new T1, was really small and fast, and after taking the measurements and running the measurements on the ink-fed conveyor, it fit perfectly. 2 of the most important pointers on why we chose Lachenmeier, it was the size of the machine. It's small and it's super fast, so the speed has been advertised as 110 loads an hour. We tested out about 80. My process before that machine was there, I only had a conveyor where the pallets came out of the line without any wrap or hooder or anything. So we had to pre-stage them and stretch wrap them and in a different way, sometimes by hand. So a big bottleneck for the facility at this point. They're coming out of the line, going through the hooder, and then immediately from there we can jump all the way to pre-staging before loading when we're busy. So we jumped a couple of processes and had some savings on diesel and some labor as far as the manual labor to hand wrap or to stretch wrap that. Why did I want a 5-sided protection? Well, first, not to compromise the load as it's traveling, safety and waterproofing. That's important for us in this region. We are asked by our customers to cover and wrap everything. So with the hooder, it's just a one-step process. We just run it through the hooder. When you run it through the hooder, you have the 5 sides already covered. You take it, just the forklift driver takes it right into the warehouse or to load the truck. Without the hooder, we had to take the load into a semi-automatic stretch wrap, and another guy will throw a top sheet on top of the pallet, stretch wrap it, whether it's by hand or by a semi-automatic wrapper, while the forklift driver was waiting for that load. Between the timing and the 2-man process, it's been a lot of cost savings. Forklift driver will pick that up and take it back to the warehouse or to pre-stage. There's a full interest by all the plants. In fact, I took some footage, I took some pictures, and not all of the other managers have been at this location because it's on the farthest plant out from where the corporate office sits and the other plants are. So I had to do like a really nice video to show the entire process and why I put it on. So there is a big interest. The main reason why we purchased that machine, the Lachenmeier hooder for this facility, it was the volume. I'm a high volume plant. I'm the highest volume plant. And the location, the needs of the location and how this region and the competitor is pushing for everything to be covered and wrapped was a big deal for us to purchase your equipment. I would say that this is a really reliable solution for facilities that are looking for this type of solution due to space, efficiencies, and the safety that provides for the load.